Hello, our YouTube family. I am Yogita. Welcome to our channel BBF Brain Buster Facts. Hope so you all are enjoying our interesting videos. So start with a motivational quote. If it matters to you, you will find a way. Today we are talking about Assam. Assam, the gateway to Northeast India, is known for its rich and diverse wildlife, amazing traditional cuisine, vibrant dance forms, and its hospitality. Favorite among the travelers all over the world, Assam is so much more than a mere tourist destination. Here are the interesting facts about Assam that make it stands out from the rest of Indian states. Yes, this state has its own anthem, written by famous local poet Lakshminath Besbarao. This anthem was adopted in the year 1927. We all know that Bihu is like the main festival of this northeastern state. But did you know that Assamese celebrate this festival thrice? Bihu is observed in mid-April, mid-January, and then in the last week of October. It's celebrated at a time when all the cultivation works get over and everyone has plenty to eat and enjoy. Though you get amazing northeastern varieties of cuisine like thupka and momos here, this state has numerous cafes and restaurants which serve food from all parts of the country. Some also specialize in world cuisine. It is true that every year the mighty river of Brahmaputra gets flooded, causing a lot of damage of life and property. Despite this, one cannot ignore the fact that Assam in particular is one of the most progressive and globalized states in the country. There are 2 World Heritage Sites in Assam state which are approved or certified by UNESCO. The World Heritage Sites are Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park. The Manas National Park is also called Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kaziranga National Park is a bona fide World Heritage Site of the state. The Kaziranga is also called the house of 2/3 of one-horned rhinoceros of the world. The calculable population of one-horned rhinoceros in the Kaziranga National Park is 2,401 as of 2015 census. The Kaziranga National Park is also rich in a variety of flora and fauna. In the year 2006, both the national parks, Kaziranga and Manas, was declared as tiger reserves. Majuli Island is the largest river island in the world. It is surrounded by the watercourse Brahmaputra. It is the only river island district in India. It was officially declared as a district by Assam government. Majuli Island is also known as the cultural capital of Assam. When it comes to the history of this place, researchers have told us an interesting fact. The island did not exist 300 years ago. During the 1750s, there was an earthquake that had caused catastrophic disaster throughout the state. One of the results of this earthquake was a flood, which caused heavy sedimentation. It is how the island developed and got populated slowly by many different groups of peoples. Anyone who visits Majuli, the largest riverine island in India, is going to be amazed by the art of mask making that is done in this area at a significant level. The masks are colorful and resemblance of the ancient Indian culture with a touch of Hinduism. The art of mask making started by the hands of Srimanta Shankardeva, who was an Assamese saint. It is not just something to sell for money, but a sacred act amongst the followers. The mask is done from the inspiration of character from the Bhagavad Gita. Umananda Island name is consist of 2 words, Uma, that is another name of Hindu goddess Parvati, and Ananda, which means happiness. Umananda Island is the smallest river island in the world, and it is situated at the mid of the river Brahmaputra. The island is also called Peacock Island due to its structure. The Umananda Island is world famous for golden langur, which is found only in Bhutan and Assam state of northeast India. Namghar is the combination of 2 Assamese words. One is Nam, means prayer, and Ghar, which means house. So the Namghar means prayer house of Assamese people. There are many prayer houses in Assam, and one of them is world famous, which is known as Dekhya Khova Bor Namghar. Jorat. It is said that there is a lamp at Dekhya Khova Bornamghar which has never been turned off since 1461. It is interesting. The lamp was first lighted by Saint Shri Shri Madhav Deva in the year 1461. The lamp of Dekhya Khova Bornamghar has been burning ever since 1461 and religiously refueled by priests from generation to generation. The Jatinga is a small Assamese village and the village is situated at the Boreal Hills of Assam. The village is famous for its unusual phenomenon that happens here every winter for about 100 years. The unusual phenomenon of this village is every year in the winter season, many migratory birds committing suicide here. The mystery behind this phenomenon still remains unsolved. Hence, the village Jatinga is also known as the suicidal place of birds. The Assam state is the highest tea producer state in India. The famous Assam tea is the identity of this state everywhere the globe. Assam state produces above 50% of India and 16% of the tea in the world. The main tea plantation district of the state is Zorat. CTC is a commercial method of processing tea which stands for crush, tear, curl. In this method, the tea leaves are made to go through several cylindrical rollers. These rollers have sharp teeth that crush, tear and curl the leaves, turning them into small that have a strong flavor and are suitable for tea bags. Assam tea is generally harvested twice, in a first flush and a second flush. The first flush is picked during late March. The second flush, harvested later, is the more prized tippy tea, named thus for the gold tips that appear on the leaves. The Assam state is also famous for silk. There are three types of silk is found in the state: golden moga silk, white pat silk and eri silk. These three types of silk are produced from worms which can survive only in the climate of Assam. Swalkuchi is a famous place in the world due to such type of silk production and silk growth production in the large quantity. Swalkuchi has a large number of cottage industry engaged in the handloom, for which it is also known as the Manchester of Assam. Bhoot Jolokia is one of the hybrid chili pepper which is basically cultivated in the northeast India region. This type of spicy chili is mainly found in Assam state. It is also known as Ghost Jolokia, Ghost pepper or Ghost chili. In the year 2007, Guinness World Records certified this chili as the hottest chili pepper in the world. So that's it for Assam. If you are also a tea lover, then please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notification and share as much as you can. Thank you for watching. Be safe and be happy.